Editing video with a music beat is a trendy editing technique. It's widely used in making ads and video mashups. We've made a few edit to beat tutorials. However, in everyday editing, we might want more than a basic edit to beat skill, as it might only give us some mediocre outcome. So in this series, we are going to teach you how to do rhythmic editing more creatively. And today, let's focus on syncing the body movements in a video with the music beat. Usually, to make a perfectly synchronized edited music video, our first step is understanding the music. For example, let's listen to this clip. There are drum beats and a sound from the trumpet and the piano. It has a complex layering. We should step further and analyze the rhythm to get prepared to find the matched moves. After two rhythmic bars, there are some piano glissandos. And in the end, the rhythm becomes steady. After analyzing the music, free download the software through the link we put in the description box down below. Launch up the software. Start a new project. Add the music to this video editor. Drag it onto the audio track. Based on the understanding of the music clip, use the shortcut M to put markers at the important points. These markers can help us easily design cut points that can synchronize the rhythms and the layers of this song. Synchronizing character movements to the music beat is a common rhythmic editing skill. Eyes shift, dance, clap, walk, or jump. Each can be regarded as a beat. And according to the different rhythms that we just analyzed, we need to find and match the movements. To take these two bars as an example, I'll use the frames that show the girl is walking, match her steps with the music beats. As for the piano sound, I'll select the frames that shows the girl is turning her head. This can add playfulness to the audiovisual content. The music ends with a very steady rhythm. So we synchronize it with a shot that shows a girl is doing turns in dance. With such a creative video editing mind, we prepare all the source footage, drag them onto the software. We just completed the movement selection. Now it's the time to add the movements in the video to the music beat. Drag the clip that shows the girl is walking onto video track. Preview the video. We find that the steps and the music beats are not synchronized. We might feel the music rhythm is too fast and walking speed is too slow. We can select this clip. Go to the inspector panel on the right to find Play Speed, and choose Custom under the Linear Speed menu. Enter the target speed rate. Hit OK, and use our mouse to drag the end of this clip to line it up with the first marker. Let's preview the result. We can now feel the rhythmic of the video. Then we come to the piano sound. Let's drag this video onto video track. Use the split tool to separate the turning head segments from the source video. In the same way, let's line this clip with a marker on the music clip. Continue our edits with this edit in mind. As for the steady beats at the end, we trim the video to keep only the part that shows a girl is doing a dance turn. When getting everything done, we made an awesome video from which the girl's moves are driven by the music. Alright, now you've reached the end of today's video about editing videos with movements to the music beat in VideoProc Vlogger. I think you've got it. We'll share a series of tutorials about cutting to the rhythm of the beat. So don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. We will see you in our next tips. Hope you enjoy. Bye!